Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how to pair a Samsung Galaxy Buds, whether it's the Buds 2, Buds 1, the Buds Live, or any of the other Buds products here, with a OnePlus 12 or the 12R phone. Of course, I would recommend that you go ahead and get the wearable app. Just go into the Play Store and type in the words wearable app, okay? This right here, and it will be this app right there, okay? So go ahead and install that. You're going to need it to get the best experience possible with your OnePlus device. Okay, so first things first, you will need to make sure this is not connected to another device and make sure that it's got some battery life in it. Okay, so you'll open it up like this here. You will see either a red light or it'll switch to the green light if it's got some good battery life. Okay, so once it's open up like this here, just give it a few seconds. It's going to enter into the pairing mode as usual. Make sure both earbuds are in the case so that they can sync together and pair up together, right? Now on your OnePlus device here, you'll look for the Bluetooth toggle and you'll want to long press that so it can be taken to this part right here. Okay, so go ahead and turn this on now and you're going to see the Galaxy Buds earbuds name show up. You just give it a few seconds. Usually at first it'll take a few seconds before it actually pairs up. Okay. All right, so you're going to see it here. If it doesn't show up the first time, press refresh and then tap on it. It's going to say pairing. Just wait for that request, press pair, and you are connected. Okay, it's going to tell you the battery percentage. You can tap on the info section here, and that's going to take you to like the naming, the media audio, phone calls, contact sharing, all that stuff. Okay, so now with that said and done, you can use it without the app, but the app does provide you with additional features. Okay, so once you have the app installed, you'll look for it on your I was going to say Samsung, your OnePlus phone here. And for the very first time, you'll see this here. You'll go to more, and then you'll need to continue. You'll just have to allow it, okay? Just go with allow, and it's gonna scan. You'll see the Galaxy Buds product name there. Your own would be a different one here. And this here, you press OK. It's gonna take you to the Play Store to install that additional plugin, okay? So you'll need to get this here and go with install, and just let it run for you, okay? So we'll wait for that to install, okay? Okay, once it says that it's installed and everything's set, I want you to close out everything. And I mean everything that's open, the apps, everything. Then go back to the app itself. And you'll kind of like start again, but this time you won't need to install the additional plugin, okay? And I would recommend doing this because some cases you may get kind of stuck in this sort of loop thing. So just go here now. We'll do this again. And you can skip this part. You don't need to sign in. Then you would just select the one that's necessary, optional, whatever, and just continue. And then again, allow for all of these here. You just have to do this for the very first time once you're setting this up, okay? And just go with allow for notifications. And once you get to this part here, you are just about done, okay? So you're gonna see this here now. The first thing you'll notice is your Galaxy Buds name, the case percentage, the battery percentage. You can go through this here if you want to navigate and update if you need to. Then you got the noise controls. With the app, you can do that here, or what you can do is go to the touch controls section here, okay? You can turn it on and off from here, but I would say go here so you can get a full control of what each function does. So you can have the single tap for play and pause, double tap, that's gonna be set. That's gonna be set for the triple tap, but for the touch and hold, you can go here and you can choose what the touch and hold for the left would do, which is a noise control if you want that. And then you have the right side, which would be for the active noise canceling, okay? So you can go ahead and set that to do either one of these, okay? And depending on the model you have, some of them will have different options. You got double tap to answer an end call, which is great because a single tap might just end the call. So you want to switch this on, and then touch and hold to decline a call. You got an incoming call, you can hold it and then it's gonna disable it. Going to the earbud settings here would be where you can find the equalizer and where it would read aloud every new notification. Okay, so equalizer is gonna give you this here, but with the OnePlus 12, 12R, you do have access to the Dolby Atmos here, which once you have a Bluetooth connected, you can use that, or you can also have these both work in sync together. Okay, it's gonna be awesome, trust me. Then you get read notifications allowed. So go in here. This is the part that allows to read everything that you have, like a missed call, new notification. You can just go down the list and turn off the ones you don't want and just leave the one you want on, okay? And you got the in-ear detection for the calls. And again, not every model will have this, but if it does, then hey, you're lucky. All right, so use ambient sound, and the labs here would give you the double tap on the earbud edge, okay? So that's that, my friends. Experiment, have fun, like and sub.